Hey guys, Digital Reg here again, and I have another unboxing for today, and this is the Huawei Freebuds 3. So if you may have noticed that I'm holding a different Freebuds 3, unlike the usual black and white color. So yes, this is the Freebuds 3 in special Valentine's Red Edition, just in time for Valentine's Day. So the Freebuds 3, before I unbox this, has been announced last year, and it's a very good alternative to those more pricey wireless earphones. What's special about the Huawei Freebuds 3 is the inclusion of its ANC, or anti-noise cancelling feature. Having an ANC feature on your earphones makes your music more immersive, and it's like shutting off the outside world from from your own world while listening to your music, whatever that music is. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. All you have to do is just slide the box out, and you have this very presentable Huawei box right here. And wow, this is the Valentine Red color edition of the Freebuds 3. Let's unbox the rest of this packaging. You already have the manual. You have here, what's this? This must be the cable. Yeah, so it comes with the USB Type-C cable, and I guess, and more, so these are some pamphlets and instruction manuals. The Huawei Freebuds 3 are placed in this circular case that I'm holding right now, and it's because of its shape, its circular shape. It's very comfortable to hold. You won't, there aren't any sharp edges that would make it uncomfortable to hold. So it's it's very easy. It's also very lightweight. Now the colorway, this Valentine's Red Edition, it's so eye-catching, and one might mistake it for for a girl's accessory. But mind you, this is not just for girls. This is also for boys like me, and I don't mind wearing these. Besides, I really love color red. It's actually my favorite color. So it's also unusual to have a pair of earphones in color red. Usually, earphones have colors white or black. But color red is unusual, and it's actually very unique. That's why, another reason why I would really love to have this color. So let's remove the Freebuds 3 from its case. This also doubles as a charging case. So if you insert the Freebuds 3 inside the case, there will an LED light would show up. It shows green. It means that it's fully charged. But if it's if it has the LED red light on display, it means that it's still charging. So let's remove the Freebuds 3. These look. A lot of people are saying that these look like the Apple Airpods, but I don't really mind at all. Besides, these Freebuds 3 from Huawei are on color red. So this again, it makes it unique. It makes it look unique. Now I'm gonna try to wear these Freebuds 3 on my ears right now, and wearing the Freebuds 3 on my ears, it snugly fit on my ears, and I don't feel anything loose. I don't feel the earphones getting loose right away, and I'm shaking my head right now trying to trying to see if the earbuds would fall off, but nope. I don't think it will easily fall off. Now, it may be of a different scenario if I'm jogging, especially running, which I haven't obviously tried yet, but I could tell that at least while sitting down, or while at least walking, I don't think it will fall off that easily. I could wear these for hours and without any discomfort, without any feeling of discomfort. Compared to headphones, which could be heavy on, which could feel heavy on your head, and also would also hurt your earlobes. This one, these pair of Freebuds 3 won't give you any kind of discomfort, whether on your outer ear, for obvious reasons, because it doesn't cover your earlobes, nor your inner ear. Let's try to listen to the Freebuds 3 by connecting to a smartphone. In this case, I'm going to use the NOVA 5T in crushed green. So this NOVA green will be available starting today, February 8th, and I'm going to pair this right now with the Freebuds 3. But mind you, the Freebuds 3 can be paired with any non-Huawei smartphone. So if you're not using a Huawei smartphone but would like to own a Freebuds 3, you can definitely pair this with your non-Huawei smartphone. In this case, I'm going to use the NOVA 5T just to find out how it's going to fare with the sound. Now, pairing is easy. You just have to press the button on the side of the case while the Freebuds 3 are inside, and once you're able to see that on your phone, then you'll be able to connect. Now, once it's already paired with your phone, whenever you remove your Freebuds 3 from the case, it will automatically connect to your phone's Bluetooth connection, as long as your Bluetooth is turned on. So let's go ahead and test the earphones. I was able to hear a notification sound upon wearing the earphones, meaning it's already connected. So let's play a track on Spotify. The sound sounds so full, and man, these earphones are really something. These Freebuds 3 are really something. The sounds, as of now, I can say the sound is very full. It sounds so clear, and there's a lot of oomph on the music from this track. This is really surprising because I haven't had this kind of experience with a wireless pair of earphones. This is my first time. This is even better than the previous earphones that I got. But man, this is so unbelievable. I mentioned earlier that this comes with ANC, short for anti-noise cancelling. Now, if you install this app called the Huawei AI Life, you'll be able to connect devices such as the Freebuds 3 and able to control it from there. So I was able to install the Huawei AI Life app on the NOVA 5T. You could already see Freebuds 3 as part of the app, and it shows how much battery life I have left in the case, as well as on the left and right side of the Freebuds 3. This is worth noting because unlike other Bluetooth earphones, if one pair loses the battery life, the other pair loses automatically. You won't be able to use the other side of the Bluetooth earphone. In this case, if you lose the battery life on the left part of the FreeBuds 3, because as long as you still have battery juice on the right side, you will still be able to use the right side of the FreeBuds 3 rather. There are different shortcuts here that you can assign to control the FreeBuds 3 without using the phone. So using the AI Life app, you can assign functions on each earbud. So we can assign playing the next song, or play and pause the song, wake up the voice assistant of your phone, or turn on and off the active noise cancelling. So you can assign each on your FreeBuds. You can assign 2 controls, basically one for each earbud. Well, let's go to the anti-noise cancelling section. Noise cancelling feature is not yet turned on, so I'm going to turn this on. And this is what's nice about the noise cancelling feature of the FreeBuds 3, because you can assign which way you would like to, which way that you would like the noise cancelling feature to be, to be directed. If I turn off the FreeBuds 3, the notification says noise cancelling off. But if I turn this on, noise cancelling is turned on. There's a difference. Okay, there's a difference. With noise cancelling turned off, I could still hear our air conditioning unit humming. Okay, but if I turn on the noise cancelling feature, the humming of the aircon has been minimized. Although I can still hear the slight humming of our air conditioning unit, but compared to the sound where the noise cancelling is turned off, that's quite a difference with the noise cancelling feature. It's not like you're inside a music studio, but at least it minimizes the outside noise. And there are a couple of cheap anti-noise cancelling headphones out there, which claims to do such, but they're nowhere as close as the FreeBuds 3. The FreeBuds 3 has a retail price of $8,990. That is a lot cheaper than what the Apple Airpods Pro is selling. I believe that costs around 13,000 pesos, around that price. So this is around 5,000 pesos cheaper. New Valentine Red Edition of the FreeBuds 3, you can get it for as low as 6,990 pesos. You can find the details in my blog post. You can find a link below in this video, or in the description in her channel. And this is a very good deal. And you know what? I highly recommend this. I just tested this right now, but man, I'm so blown away by it. I have more expensive Bluetooth earphones than this, but this pair of Huawei Freebuds 3, these are worth your money. I tell you, these are worth your hard-earned cash. So if you want a stylish pair of wireless earphones and a unique color of Valentine's Red Edition, suggest getting the FreeBuds 3 from Huawei. It's out in stores today, and you can get it at the Huawei Experience Store, or at Shopee, or at Lazada, as well as on Memo Express. Again, these shops are found in the link below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, as well as clicking on the notification so that you'll be able to find out if we have an upcoming video posted. And that's it. Again, my name is Reg, and I'll be coming back for another video anytime soon. So take care, guys.